is the hall with grand finishing. POP includes the glass design also, and the TV cabinet of fiber furniture. It's not a teak, it's a fiber furniture. Which includes all type of facilities. Fiber furniture totally. This is the back wardrobe which we made for the electric purpose and to put some waste materials. Now we will go to kitchen and I will show you the puja room and storeroom. This is the puja room, very new concept in Vijaypur. The very grand puja room we made with including the furnitures where we can keep the puja materials, and kitchen which is full with wall tiles, the very new concept in Vijaypur to keep the cleanness, and it's totally modular kitchen with a fiber furniture. Here this type of furniture we made here. Utensils will go inside, the maximum materials, and again here we made one small storeroom. We made for back door, we made the safety door also. We are going to bedrooms. This house consists 3 bedrooms, which is 2 of masters and 1 is regular bedroom. This is the regular student bedroom. This is the texture design, and it also consists the POP, which is with baby colors. It's a student's bedroom, and this wardrobe is specially made for students and baby purpose. We didn't use the wood doors, wood door frames. We used granite frames, which is totally tension-free concept in Vijaypur, because nowadays the main problem is of wood, which is getting problem. This will not changes its physical structure for any other weathers. It's a owner bedroom, which is master's bedroom. So this is attached bathroom toilet, and this is the owner's bedroom concept, where we made textures like this and the furniture like this. Concept which we made like this for regular usage, and this is the safety lock usage we made apart from our wall, which is in the line of wall, and we made the wardrobes from outside. Different type of concept of POP, means false roofing. This is our bathroom concepts, where we used to use usually our brands like Hindware and Sira we used, and this is the diverter, spout and shower, and the floor mounted commode. Where this is the texture design, and here we made like this furniture. The concept of wall mounted basins, and this will be the ladies compartments where we can use for ladies private items. Okay, this is also some different concept of false roofing, which is totally consists of POP, plaster of Paris, the simple and beautiful design. This house consists all room false roofing. Again, this is one last Indian common attached bathroom toilet, where we made Indian pan. Okay, the overall concept is same, and we may use only Indian pans. We used our staircase area like this. It's for washing machine compartment, it's cylinder compartment, and it's an inverter compartment. Overall gas cylinder will be put here with safety. And this is the utility which we used, which is with tiles. Utility compartment. Step with granite. It's a overall built up area, slab area with a fine finishing. As we promised in last Akshaya Tritiya of 2020 that we will give a free solar on those who will make Bhumi Puja on the Akshaya Tritiya, that we made fulfillment of our promise. We gave the free solar for this site. It's on. So I want to introduce our respected client, Shri Vijay Kumar Badger sir.
Namaskar.
So sir, please tell a review about us, sir.
I am the owner of this building. My name is Vijay Kumar Badger. Actually, when I finalized this site, and I had a huge challenge to select the builder. So my cousin and where they all recommended as Indra Construction. So during this, and I personally and my family went and discussed with Sri Rakesh Joshi ji, and his commitment was that, sir, you finalize the contract, you finalize the plan, and we will give the quality and as per requirement, as per the design. We will not deviate with anything with the quality of the material or construction of the building. So we had a long relation, and he had maintained the relation and as well as the quality and everything. So wherever we required any small changes, he did not tell us anything. Okay, sir, we will change it, and he had explained us what is the advantage or disadvantage for the building for this implementation of this recommendation. So I am very thankful that the building has been done as per our requirement and completed without any hassle, without any fight, and I am very happy with it. This Indra Construction, and particularly proprietor of the Rakesh Joshi.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.